Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam
Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. So our program is to worship with love and devotion Govinda, the original person, Govindam Adipurusham. This is Krishna consciousness. We are teaching people to love Krishna. That's all. Our program is to love, to place your love in the proper place. That is our problem. Everyone wants to love, but he is being frustrated on account of his love being misplaced. People do not understand it. They are being taught, first of all, you love your body. Then, little extended, you love your father and mother. Then, love your brother and sister. Then, love your society. Love your country. Love the whole human society, humanity. But all this extended love, so-called love, will not give you satisfaction. Unless you reach to the point to love Krishna, then you will be satisfied. That's like if you throw a stone on some reservoir of water on a lake, there immediately begins a circle. The circle expands, and expanding, when the circle touches the shore, it stops. Unless the circle reaches the bank or the shore of the reservoir of the water, it goes on increasing. So, we have to increase. Increase. The increase means there are two ways. If you practice, I love my society, I love my country, I love my human nation, and then living entities, so on. But if you directly touch Krishna, then everything is there. It is so nice. Because Krishna means all attractive, includes everything. Why everything? Because Krishna is the center. Just like in a family. If you love your father, then you love your brothers, sisters, the servant of your father, the home of your father, the wife of your father, namely your mother, everyone. The central point is father. This is crude example. Similarly, if you love Krishna, then your love will be expanded everywhere. Another example, just like if you love a tree, the leaves, the flowers, the branches, the trunks, the twigs, everything, you simply pour water on the root. Then your loving affairs for the tree will automatically serve. If you love your countrymen, if you want to see that your countryman he becomes educated, advanced economically and mentally, physically, then what do? You pay tax to the God. Don't hide your income tax. You simply pay tax to the central government and it will be distributed to the education department, to the defense department, to the hygienic department, everything. Therefore, these are crude examples. But actually, if you want to love everything, then you try to love Krishna. You will not be frustrated because that is complete. When your love is complete, then you will not be frustrated. That you have got complete feeding. If you are satisfied with food completely, then you say, I am satisfied. No, I don't want any more.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna